Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll need a recent iOS and updated browser. Once confirmed, start immediately. Open Safari or Chrome on your iPhone. Tap the tabs icon, bottom right in Safari, top right in Chrome, and choose Private or New Incognito tab. This creates an isolated browsing session that won't save history, autofill, or cookies once closed. Make sure to notice the darker theme and private label so you know it's active. If you use multiple browsers, repeat this step in each app you intend to use. Once you're in private mode, manage tabs the same way you do normally. Open links in new private tabs and swipe to close tabs when finished. You can tap the address bar to enter a site directly and use the share menu safely. Make sure to review privacy settings, disable autofill or saved passwords if you want extra separation, and check per site permissions for camera, microphone, and location. These actions keep visited sites from persisting data across sessions and reduce tracking. To finish, close every private tab and exit the browser. Once done, that session's history and cookies are discarded. If you suspect data persisted, force quit the app or restart your iPhone to clear temporary caches. Make sure to manually clear cookies and site data in browser settings if problems continue. A key troubleshooting tip: if sites still show saved logins, check iCloud keychain and disable syncing for passwords temporarily. This prevents cross-device restoration of credentials after closing private tabs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.